Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss on what is recommend traceability matrix. What is recommend traceability matrix? Why you use recommend traceability matrix in software testing project? I'm going to talk in detail with the example how the template of recommend traceability matrix will look like. Everything I'm going to discuss in detail. So before proceeding further, if you visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe button and click on bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. So let's move on to understand what is all about recommend traceability matrix and how the traceability matrix would look like, and I have given few examples as well that would help you to understand traceability matrix in a very easy and simple manner. So let's understand what is recommend traceability matrix. Recommend traceability matrix is a matrix. We put it in a table format. If you can see here, we put in a table format from recommend gathering to writing test scenarios to test cases and its status. Everything will be tracked in an Excel sheet form, or we have tools also available. Test management tools also can be used to track all the mappings, just to ensure that when we are signing up the project or a testing project, we should see we have enough coverage for all the requirements which we have got it from the client or a customer, right? So let's understand. So what are the ingredients? I try to make it as simple as possible for you to understand how the recommend traceability matrix would look like. This is a simple version of recommend traceability matrix. We can further detail in, we can still add many columns to talk about detailed design. We can talk about high level design. We can talk about unit test, or we can talk about the different aspects of test cases. Everything we can put it in the multiple columns to track complete test deliverables, how we deliver the product based on the all the test deliverables. But I'm trying to make it very simple as much as possible for you to understand in a simple and easy manner the overall concept of recommend traceability matrix. So let's understand. So if you're seeing here, there is a first user story which is a login feature. So login feature, we may have one or two scenarios. The test scenarios will be writing is the testing a login scenario 1. Then this login scenario can be further broke down into detailed number of test cases. One is to validate the username, second is validate your password, validate the login button. Again, click on login button. Various test cases can be further detailed out, and we are going to give all the details of test case numbers here, and also we talk about the status of each test here, just to ensure that whatever the test cases we are writing in our testing project should trace back to the test scenario. Then it should trace back to the user story which is implemented for the given project, and these user stories were provided from the client, just to ensure that whatever the user story has been defined, which is user acceptance criteria, those user acceptance criteria should meet by this recommend traceability matrix. All the ingredients of testing should trace back to the requirement. That is the main goal of the recommend traceability matrix. And if you can see here also, for logout feature, again there is a test scenario we have written the logout scenario. Then we have further drilled down the login scenario into multiple test cases, like click on logout link, what will happen, and whether it is session timing out or not. Everything will be detailing out further with various number of test cases. Here we are seeing one test case is passed, one test case is failed. We cannot sign up our deliverables until the failed test case is moved to pass. And we can also, it would provide an indication to see which all the test cases are failing and which is moving back to the which recommend. That would help the stakeholder to make a call whether to sign up the given release or not based on the importance of that user story. So recommend traceability matrix is a very useful tool or which useful document that would help the stakeholder to decide or make a decision whether we need to really sign up the test closure or we'll have to wait until all the test coverage is done and we have enough test scenarios, we have enough test cases, and all those cases are really passed or not. Until that time, we will be keep revisiting this recommend traceability metrics just to ensure that everything is on track, everything going as planned, everything can easily measure in this recommend traceability matrix that would give a complete indication for the leadership team where are we really moving in terms of the quality challenges perspective. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are able to completely get hold of what is recommend traceability matrix. If you have visited first time Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and click on bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.